Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Twins Days. The Twins Festival in Twinsburg, Ohio, used to be small. Twins told twins who told other twins about it. Now, twins come from all over the world. Twins are two brothers, two sisters, or a brother and a sister born together. Some twins are exactly alike. There are contests for twins who look the most alike. Twins can trick you, too. Some twins may not look alike. There are contests for twins who don't look alike at all. Some twins don't like to dress the same, but others like to look just the same. Twins of all ages are welcome to share in the fun. These twins are older adults. They've been coming to the Twins Festival for years. Little twins come to the festival too. They come with their families. Mothers, fathers, sisters, and brothers all come to share stories and good times. The Twins Festival goes on all weekend. It is a time for fun and food and for seeing double.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.